Hello friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with a video that is actually a crafty collab with Kendra from Cards by Kendra. We have wanted to do this collab for a few months now, but timing just wouldn't work out, so I'm excited that we finally were able to make it happen. And the reason for doing this collab is we wanted to spread the word about each of our challenges. Many of you know that I run a challenge group on Facebook called There's a Stamp for That. Everything is linked in the description box below before I get any further as to my group, Kendra's group, and her challenge, and products used, and the whole kit and caboodle is all linked in the description box below. Anyways, like I said, my group is called There's a Stamp for That. It is a bi-weekly challenge, and I usually try to have at least 3 different themes, and I try to make it so that I know that you will have at least one of them so you can participate without feeling like you have to go and buy something new, although I'm happy to enable if you want to go get something new. So the current challenge at my group is challenge 40, and it's ocean creatures or fish, or dots, or dinos. So today my card is going to feature dinos because we all know I love dinos. Kendra's card challenge is a quarterly card challenge that she will give you a printable, and it's every quarter, and you use 6 by 6 paper, and you use 6 sheets, and you get 15 cards. It's super cool, and it's an easy way to just have some fun and use up those paper pads. She has a ton of sponsors, ton of prizes, and again, it is quarterly. I'll link below. Now you have to enter on her Facebook group, but there's also other ways that you could, like if you're not on Facebook, you could email her. She has all of that information on her site. This is the current card challenge. It's card challenge 6. So there are, like I said, the cutting guides. So different cutting guides. I like that she has, like, you start here first, and she has the arrows that tell you which direction it'll go, so that if you have directional paper, you can know which way to put it. And then she has the sketches. She tells you what the measurements are for, like, the layers. Very, very cool. And then on the last sheets, she always has the instructions, some helpful hints. Always, you can make it your own, so change the shapes, like if you wanted that to be a square, whatever. Tells you how to enter it. And again, it is a quarterly. The challenge 6 ends at the end of this month, and then challenge 7 will start. So today we are doing a little sneak peek of challenge 7, and we are both doing the sketch from sketch 15 from challenge 7 as a little sneak peek for you. For my cards, I'm using this papery ink dino birthday stamp set. Those dinosaurs are adorable and so much fun. Again, it's all linked below. And then when I do one of Kendra's challenges, I do all my cutting, and then I put them all in like these clear envelopes as to what card sketch they go with. As you can see, number 15 is empty. So my card for both of our challenges, for Kendra's challenge is number 7, sketch 15, and then for my challenge, there's a stamp for that. Challenge 40, dinos, is this one right here. You can see those pattern papers. I did get it on there a little bit crooked, so I cut out this little banner to kind of cover my oops. The background is just some Distress Oxide inks, just roughly blended and splattered with some water. And then those adorable, adorable dinosaurs. And then the inside, it says, "Life is short, be roarsome." So super cute. I can't wait to see what Kendra has created. So her video will be linked below. I hope you'll hop on over and go see her. And I think that that's all I have for now. We both would love for you to join our challenges. Like for me, come on over to Facebook and join the group. Join in. We have lots of inspiration and a great little community. I know Kendra would love you to subscribe to her YouTube channel and also join her Facebook group. And we would just love to see you all play along with both of our challenges. So that's what I've got for you today. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I also would appreciate if you would subscribe, click that bell for notifications, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. Until my next video, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and thanks so much for stopping by.